Differences between a Google Knowledge Panel and Google My Business listing. The purpose. A Google Knowledge Panel displays general information about entities such as people, organizations, and businesses from trusted sources. It is auto-generated by Google and appears on the right side of the search results. It is meant to provide an authoritative overview of well-known figures or brands, while Google My Business listing is specifically designed for local businesses to manage their online presence on Google Search and Google Maps. It allows business owners to directly update business details, hours, photos, and respond to customer reviews. How are they created and controlled? The Knowledge Panel is auto-generated by Google, typically pulling data from authoritative sources like Wikipedia, official websites, and trusted databases. Direct control over the panel is limited, though verified entities can suggest changes, while Google My Business is created and fully controlled by the business owner. Businesses can update their details, upload images, respond to reviews, and control most aspects of their listing. Audience. A knowledge panel serves a global audience, providing general information to anyone who searches for the entity, while Google My Business focuses on local audiences who are searching for nearby businesses or services and may be looking for contact details, reviews, or directions. Information source. Knowledge panel information is pulled from credible, publicly available sources. Users cannot add random reviews or feedback, while Google My Business allows user-generated content like customer reviews and ratings, meaning the information displayed is a mix of owner-provided details and user feedback. How they display in search results. Knowledge panel appears prominently on the right-hand side of search results, mainly for well-known entities, public figures, or established companies, while Google My Business appears in the local search results or on Google Maps when someone searches for a local business or service. Why a Google Knowledge Panel is better than a Google My Business listing. Having global exposure. Knowledge panels provide visibility on a global level, whereas Google My Business listings focus on local visibility. This makes the Knowledge Panel more suitable for established entities with a broader audience. The perception of authority. Since the Knowledge Panel pulls from trusted sources and appears at the top of search results, it is seen as an authoritative source of information. In contrast, Google My Business listings are user-managed and are sometimes perceived as less formal. No public reviews. A significant advantage of the Knowledge Panel is that it does not allow random individuals to leave public reviews or ratings. In contrast, Google My Business listings allow anyone to post a review, which can lead to the potential risks of receiving negative feedback from disgruntled customers or random individuals. Greater credibility. The Knowledge Panel generally includes links to official websites, social media accounts, and verified profiles, providing more credibility than a Google My Business listing, which often includes user-generated content that can be inconsistent or manipulated. No prank calls or spam. While Google My Business listings are valuable for providing business contact information, they also expose businesses to the risk of prank phone calls or spam. Knowledge panels, on the other hand, do not typically display detailed contact information, reducing this risk. Risks of negative reviews on Google My Business listing. Uncontrolled feedback. One of the key risks of a Google My Business listing is that anyone can leave a public review, even individuals who may not have had a genuine experience with your business. Negative reviews, even from random or disgruntled individuals, can harm a business's online reputation. Review manipulation. Fake reviews or unjustified negative feedback from competitors or malicious users can skew the business rating. Dealing with such reviews can be time-consuming, and while Google My Business provides some means to flag inappropriate reviews, the process is not always immediate. Impact on reputation. Negative reviews, whether fair or not, are visible to anyone searching for the business, which can discourage potential customers and reduce trust in the brand. Risks of prank phone calls on Google My Business listing. Public exposure of contact information. Google My Business listings display your business phone number to anyone who looks up your listing. This increases the risk of receiving prank or harassing phone calls from random individuals who may have no legitimate business with you. Wasted resources. Receiving prank calls can waste your staff's time and resources, as they may have to field multiple irrelevant or harassing calls, impacting the overall efficiency of business operations. Customer frustration. If prank callers tie up your phone lines, legitimate customers might find it difficult to reach you, potentially resulting in missed business opportunities or customer dissatisfaction. In summary, while a Google My Business listing is valuable for local businesses, it does come with risks, including the potential for negative reviews and prank calls. A Google Knowledge Panel, on the other hand, offers broader authority, control, and security, making it the better option for well-established public entities.